Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Keceng si kadok ka wepan sita me adap ke me kardong pajarik lo kardong. Pini ya video long mangke nilitum a college Diphu government college long pen ke pas tang tum an phan nang ke invite la si nilita me Diphu government college long pen se ke pas tang lo pot si pini bangke Diphu government college long an si nili ke pale donik jipo pini ya program bangke alumni meets come farewell function 2023 po la si nili tame college dam de aning kane kalilang ha achiklo do ulo lasi college long an kedam de lasi pini bangke college long an pali donji pulo la college long lele tum chitong pen 9 non bangke nili hempen ke bari kuplo jo non sio nili dak anang kalilang jo nili tuma college long an di government college long an non bangke la alumni meets pan hedi registration da pobon dak entrance long yo la college entrance long lasi nili tame alom job hite registration korin populo alumni meets pan lon non dito Lapu jerpo tu mena cetong ala ya. Lapu ni lapu bang gani li orang aja. My registration datang lah lo sampai ke nona tiada. Auditorium ko atung si dolo nona alu bilodun ko pulo dilita. Nona alumni meets bang ke ceng dah ko dah. Kat auditorium ko lang. Si non dilita me kilu ko pulo nona.
Ms. Crystal Denham, please. Isn't the honors? Thank you. Now may I take the pleasure of inviting a very senior alumni, Tenzing Ingti sir to the dais. Osin Kulita sir will escort him. And may I request Punmili Rongpipi to please felicitate sir. A very beloved and respected sir, Professor J.D. Thang to the dais. May I request Ranjit Hanse sir to escort him. And Punmili Rongpipi will felicitate sir. Next, I would like to take the pleasure of inviting Bokkar Ali sir, our very own Bokkar Ali sir. I would like to request Ranjit Hanse sir to escort him. Professor Panme will felicitate Bokkar Ali sir. Thank you. Thank you. So, as of now, all the alumni have not yet arrived. So,
all the alumni present here today and teachers and all those present on this occasion of the alumni meet, as well as the felicitation to the retired professors of the college. It is an honor and a privilege for me to deliver this welcome address on this auspicious occasion. Every college conducts an alumni meet where past out students interact with each other. The purpose of holding such a meet is not only about maintaining good relationship or connection with past out students, but also to make the institute feel proud of the alumni.
I'd like to request our principal madam for lighting of the lamp, and I would like to request those who are in the dais to accompany with her.
সুচাৰুৰূপে পালন কৰি আমি সফল হ'ব পাৰোঁ তাৰে ভগৱানৰ ওচৰত প্ৰাৰ্থনা জনাইছোঁ।
immense pleasure, I read this citation of honor presented to Padma Shri Dhaneshwar Inti for his invaluable contribution to the society through his pen, his writings. Dhaneshwar Inti, from humble beginnings and hard work, has reached milestones in successes requiring long hours of commitment and focus. He served as the Joint Secretary under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Karbi Anglong. He is also the life member of Assam Sahitya Sabha and served as its executive member in the year 2009 to 2011. A prolific writer of poems and short stories, his works have been published in various newspapers, including the Sentinel, the Assam Tribune, Amar Assam, etc., the Arling Daily, et al. Some of his renowned works of literature are Candle of the Night, a collection of self-composed poems, The Coral Tree, an anthology of poetry, The Endless Journey of a Poet, A Glimpse of Greatness, Karbi National Icons, a major hill tribe of Northeast India, My Awesome Love, Social, Cultural and Spiritual Traditions of Assam, Isar Kona, et al. All these words speak of the treasures our society is enriched with. Further, Sri Inti has also written and composed many Karbi modern songs which are sung and treasured by many. Among the various accolades and acknowledgements, felicitations by Diphu Book Fair Committee, the Heritage Foundation, Center for Tourism Study, Diphu Regional Students' Union, All Guwahati Students' Association and Assam Sahitya Sabha for his tremendous contribution towards Karbi, English and Assamese literature.
A man of letters, he has authored many books, namely Karbi Studies, Volume 1 to 4, Karbi History and many other such books. As a social activist, Dr. Teron had been involved in Karbi Cultural Society, that is the KCS, and he was also the General Secretary. He was also
Principal of Diphu Government College, respected Vice Principal, the most respected retired professors, my dear students, friends of Diphu Government College, and ladies and gentlemen present here. First of all, I want to say is that I have a bad habit of filibustering, so I would like to say something in a written way. So just I want to say in it.
May I request Professor Serdihun Teronpi to felicitate Gogoi sir. Next, I would like to take the pleasure of inviting a former HOD of Zoology, Professor Dr. Mainu Devi Madam to the dais. May I request Borbhuya sir to please escort Madam to the dais. May I request Hunmili Rongpipi, Professor Hunmili Rongpipi to felicitate Mainu Devi Madam.
respected Padmasri Dhaneswari King, Dr. Rangsina, and all other present on the dais, teachers.
তাৰ পৰাই মই পিউ পাছ কৰিছিলোঁ, তেতিয়া পিউ বুলি কৈছিলে, তাৰ পৰা পাছ কৰিলোঁ। তাৰপিছত মোৰ কথাটো অলপ কৈ লৈছোঁ। তাৰপিছত 1980 মোৰ বিয়া হ'ল, কাৰণ মা দেউতা বা ককাই নবৌহঁতৰো এটা দায়িত্ব আছে, ছোৱালী হ'লে বিয়া দিব লাগে। সেইকাৰণে মোক 1980 বিয়া দিলে। তেতিয়ালৈ কিন্তু মই BA পাছ কৰা নাই। তথাপিও মোৰ পঢ়িবলৈ বহুত ইচ্ছা আছিল। ইচ্ছা থকাৰ কাৰণে মই কি কৰিলোঁ, তেতিয়া আকৌ ইয়াত মই আকৌ মোৰ হাজবেণ্ডক কৈ পেলাই মই এইখন কলেজত আকৌ মই নাম লগালোঁ BA পঢ়িবৰ কাৰণে। তেতিয়া TDC আহিলে। 1988ত মই ইয়াৰ পৰা BA পাছ কৰিছোঁ। আজি
is presented to Sri Milan Kumar Mujumdar.
Leadership and also her team, those who have burned the midnight oil to make this program materialize.
Of honor and acknowledgement for his dedicated service in the capacity of first as a faculty of head, Department of Chemistry, and second as a vice principal of the college, and still further as a warden of Rangsina Girls Hostel. Mr. Nabindarang retired on 31st of January 2021 as a vice principal of Diphu Government College. We wish him success, prosperity, and long healthy life as he takes off in his new retired life aeroplane.
This citation of honor is presented to Sir J.D. Thanks to congratulating him on the successful accomplishment of his teaching career.
Gogoi, son of Rebakanta Gogoi, in the year to come, he will always be remembered fondly by one and all in the college with much regard.
May 2023, Diphu Govt College Teachers Association, on behalf of entire Diphu Govt College fraternity, would like to extend best wishes on his successful accomplishment of teaching profession from Diphu Government College. May Almighty keep
calling upon the former HOD Assamese Department, Ganesh Boyso sir.
1989 চনৰ পৰা 30/4/2020 চনলৈকে সুদীৰ্ঘ 32 বছৰ সুন্দৰভাৱে নিজৰ কৰ্তব্য পালন কৰি
Next I take the pleasure of calling upon the principal in charge of Diphu Government College on 31st December 2021. Sri Abdul Motin, son of late Abdul Salim, and Mrs. Sakina Khatun. With hearts full of gratitude, the Diphu Government College fraternity wishes Professor Abdul Motin robust health, peace and prosperity in his new journey of supervision, and present him this simple citation on this day, the 27th May 2023 at Rangsina Auditorium Hall, Diphu Government College. Thank you. Next, I take the pleasure of
August 2022, after rendering more than 3 decades of dedicated service, today on this day of 27 May 2023, entire Diphu Government College fraternity would like to acknowledge his invaluable services to the student community and fellow colleague by presenting him a humble citation. May Almighty bless him to enjoy good health and happiness for the rest of his life. Thank you.
Next,
Associate Professor and Head Department of Commerce.
Today, on this 27th May 2023, entire Diphu Government College fraternity sincerely acknowledges and appreciates his invaluable services. As he embarks on retirement, we pray for his good health and longevity of life. May God bless him and bless him.
Associate Professor and Head, Department of Zoology, after almost 3 decades of dedicated service. The Government College fraternity wishes her long, happy and fruitful retired life with much affection and fond memories. We give her the simple citation on this day, the 27th May 2023 at Rangsina Auditorium Hall, Diphu Government College. Thank you.
Don mari tu non mang an cutang lablo kadok kawe yang mani tala si non mang kedak jutram hola lo bang si bang chula bo yon ni tan non ako jutram hola lo chiludun thupu pula don mari tu program bang jutela mati silon ar lo ako lo ditui ko don mari tu pini la alumni meets come farewell function 2023 bang jut elo la si ni litam non bang ke jo hemecha dam bo pula la si pini ya video bang ni la one sing ton ko po totang teh next sub video mati next vlog song lali tum cetang penang teh kardom kadok kawe fansita metu metu